is Phonics lesson 113. Today at school would be Friday, so we're going to have a little bit of a lighter day today. We're going to learn 2 new special sounds that's going to help us read our words more quickly. Mr. Frog's holding them for us here. Let's look at our first special sound. Our first special sound we're going to talk about today is BR. BR says burr, burr, as in bride. Do you hear burr in the word bride? Let's look at the back of the card and see if we can read these words and listen for the burr special sound in the words. Brain, brush, broke, breeze, brick, brisk. Do you hear burr at the beginning of each of those words? So you look for the 1 vowel or the 2 vowels, and so you know if it says the short vowel sound or the long vowel sound. Put that with the burr, and then you can read the word more quickly. All right? BR says burr, like bride. All right, Mr. Frog, what's our next one? DR. DR says dur, as in drum. Dur, as in drum. Do you hear dur at the beginning of the word drum? Good. Let's look at the back of the card and see if we can hear dur at the beginning of these words as we read them. Try to read them with Miss Ellie. Drip, drive, dry. Remember, Y at the end of a word says I, dry. Dream, drop, drain. Do you hear DR at the beginning of all those words? So DR says dur, dur. That's going to help you read more quickly. Let's look at the board. Miss Ellie has written a few BR and DR words up here. Let's circle the special sounds and read the words. And mark the vowels as well. All right, our first word, we've got BR at the beginning, so we're going to circle burr. We've got 1 vowel, it's I. Put a smiley face, makes us happy to mark 1 vowel. CK we know is a special sound too, it says k. So, we can say brick, brick, brick. Very good. See if you can do this one with me. 2 vowels, okay? But first let's circle our special sound BR. 2 vowels, A and E. Put a line over the A so we know it says its name or the long sound. Cross out the E because it's silent. And let's read the word. Brave, brave, brave. Very good. Now we're going to notice that we changed from BR to DR. So let's circle the DR. 1 vowel, O. Make it smile. So it says the short sound, ah. And then we've got P. Drop, drop, drop. Very good. Last one. DR is our special sound. We have 1 vowel and E, so we're going to put a smiley over it. And remember S, 2 S's together, we only say the sound 1 time. So we've got dress, dress, dress. Very good. Say the words with me as I point to them. Brick, brave, drop, dress. 1 more time. Brick, brave, drop, dress. Good job, everybody. Let's look at our worksheets for today. You need to get out the worksheet. It's page 129. It's for lesson 113. All right? First thing you do is always the same. Take out a pencil and write your name. And remember to do your last name as well. We should be getting really good at that by now. All right. On the first part right here, what we're going to do is we're going to mark the vowels and read the words. Circle the word that tells you what the picture is. The first one is done for us. So we're going to look at this picture, and then let's look at these 2 words. Todd. We know that's somebody's name because it starts with a capital letter. Todd, or we've got two vowels. We make O say os, or toad. Of course, that's a toad. So we're going to circle the word toad, put a stick over the O, and cross out the A. Let's do one more together. This is a picture of a bat. What word says bat? Let's look at the first word. The first word has two vowels, so A has to say its name. It's going to say A. B-A, bait. That's not a bait. What about this one? This one, we have one A, one vowel, so it says a, b-a, bat. So we're going to circle the word bat, put a smiley face over the A. Do you see how all that's done? All right, so look at each picture, read the words, and then circle the word that tells you what the picture is and mark the vowel in the word that you circled. All right, down here we have special sounds and pictures. You need to match the special sound up here on this row with the picture down below. So here we have CK. CK says K. Which picture has the K sound? Stop, duck, plane, or frog? I think it's duck. You hear K at the end of duck, so you would draw a line from the CK to the duck. You see how to do those? All right, turn your page over. I know you know what to do up here in the rectangle. Read the words and mark the vowels. Down here, you're going to find the missing vowel. Play Find the Missing Vowel game, okay? So fill in the bubble under the vowel that makes this in the oval say a word. For example, you've got blank, g. So try each vowel. Og, rog, or ag, rag. Which one is right? O or A? Ah or a? You're right, it's rag. So you would fill in the bubble under the A. All right? Good job on that. The last one, you have a sentence. Remember, Miss Ellie tells you the best way to find the word for the sentence is to first of all, read these two words. Then go back and read the sentence. Fill in the bubble under the word that makes the sentence correct. That is your phonics worksheet for lesson 113. All right, you also have a writing worksheet. Today we are going to work on reviewing writing capital T and little t. This is the first letter we wrote way back the first week of school, so we ought to be very good at this. All right, capital T, little t, all the way across. Read the sentence, trace the sentence, and write it on line number 3. On line number 4, read the sentence, trace the sentence, and write the sentence on line number 5. Make sure you start each new word on a new red dot, and don't forget the period. Turn it over. We will do the same thing here. Read the sentence, trace the sentence, and write the sentence on the line below. Line number 3, read the sentence, trace the sentence, and write the new sentence on line number 5 below. That is your phonics and writing lesson for 113. You may color the pictures if you would like to with a color crayon after you are finished.